Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW 1 Series in Rocket League. This exclusive car was a limited-time offering, available only through the in-game item shop. Players had to purchase a special bundle to add this sleek vehicle to their garage. It was not obtainable through blueprints or random drops, making its availability quite specific and time-sensitive for collectors. The BMW 1 Series M was first introduced during a specific event in November 2021. It was part of the BMW M Motorsport Bundle, which players could acquire directly from the item shop. This bundle was priced at 1,100 credits, a standard cost for premium car packs. Its appearance in the shop was for a limited duration only, so timing was key. When the BMW M Motorsport Bundle was available, it included more than just the car. You received the stylish BMW 1 Series M vehicle itself, along with exclusive BMW M wheels to complete the look. Additionally, a unique BMW M decal was part of the package, allowing for further customization. This made it a comprehensive offering for fans of the brand. Currently, the BMW 1 Series M is not available for purchase in Rocket League. As a limited-time item shop exclusive, it has since rotated out of the store. However, many limited items do make return appearances, so keep an eye on the daily item shop rotations. There is always a chance it could be featured again in the future, so stay vigilant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.